Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily add a product into your Squarespace website. So first things first, we have to log in at squarespace.com into your workspace. So far this is my workspace with two ongoing projects, and I'm gonna pick the first one that I really want to add more products into it. So I click on go to website and it will take me into the editor. So here we want to go and focus on left side of our sidebar where it says commerce. Here we have a couple of options on left sidebar. For example, discounts, that is very mandatory, or if you want to create some kind of email with discount codes, you can easily do it in here, but we want to focus in the middle of the screen where we have our products. Here we can create a new one. Is it a physical? Is it digital download? Is it the membership scheduling? This is why I love Squarespace, because it gives you so many options how to create and how to run your business. Let's go with a physical. Product name, we can go with leather shoes, for example. Description, very well made, handcrafted in Slovakia. Images, well, I'll be working on those. Let's say they are my shoes are the photo shooting. Price will be 220 euros. They're on sale, yes or no. Let's go with sale price 110. Unlimited stock, no. I have only 10 pairs. SKUs, variants, we can add a variance in sizes, for example, and we want to go like 41, 42, 43, 44. Okay, this is maybe too much. 45, 40, and many more. We're gonna save it. Okay, this I just don't want to do. Delete the option, save. Okay, and organization, visibility, featured products, many more, marketing, checkout. Once you're done with all the tweaking that you really want, click on save, and you have a new product. So let's go to inventory, and we see that we have leather shoes already in there. 60 at stock, because I decided to have 10 of each in 6 variants. So easy as that. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day, and goodbye.